Please rise. You may be seated. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the court has been informed that you have reached a verdict. If that is true, I'd have the foreman please rise and give the verdict form to Mr. Weaver, the bailiff. All right, thank you, Mr. Weaver. Can the foreperson please rise and announce the verdict?
She has to read the whole thing, or?
Typically, there's no set way to do it, but typically you could say in the people of the state of Michigan versus, and then on one count, what the verdict is, and count two.
And the people of the United States versus Shanda Vander Ark, count one.
I think you mean people of the state of Michigan, correct?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yep.
I apologize.
Okay, all right, that's
The
okay.
people of the state of Michigan versus Shanda Vander Ark, count one, charging open murder involving the death of Timothy Ferguson. We find her guilty of first-degree felony murder. Count two, first-degree child abuse. We find her guilty of first-degree child abuse.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Court will record the verdict for the record. Mr. Johnson, would you like the jury polled?
Please, Your Honor.
All right. All right, juror number 2, please rise. And is that your verdict?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 4, is that your verdict?
Two.
Okay. And you don't have to say, you can say yes or no. So, juror number, actually that was juror number 4. Juror number 5, is that your verdict?
Yes.
All right, you can sit down. Juror number 6, please rise. Is that your verdict?
Yes, sir.
All right, juror number 7, is that your verdict?
Yes.
All right, juror number 8, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 10, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is that your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror number 12, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 13, is that your verdict?
Yes.
And juror number 14, is that your verdict?
Yes.
All right. So with that being said, again, the court will record the verdict for the record. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your service. This was an incredibly difficult case. Now you know when the attorneys were discussing what the evidence would be, I think you understand what we were talking about. Unfortunately now, it was not for the faint of heart, and certainly those of you who did this, unfortunately, it's unfortunate that you will not get those images out of your mind. I won't. But somebody had to do it, and I'm glad that you were willing to do that. You are discharged of service at this time. You are free to talk to anyone you wish about this, or you don't have to talk to anybody if you don't want to, but you're free. The restriction regarding news reports, you can do anything you want. You can talk to anyone you want at this point going forward. So again, thank you for your service, and you are excused. Mr. Weaver, please rise.